Good morning. Today I'm gonna teach you the four animals. So let's go. It's brown. It's big and strong. It has a long and soft tail, and it runs very fast. It's a horse. It's pink. It has a short legs. It has a curly tail, and it goes oink 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 oink. It's a pig. It's white. It has two long ears and large teeth, and it eats carrots. It's a rabbit. It's black. It has a lot of wool. It does baa baa. It's a sheep. It's red and orange. It has feathers, but it doesn't fly. It puts eggs and it does caw caw caw. It's a chicken. It's yellow. It's the baby of the hen and the chicken. It's very small and it does pew 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 pew. It's a chick. It's yellow. It's small. It loves to swim and it does quack 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 quack. It's a duck.